So we'll study today 555 timer. This 555 timer can be used as a monostable multi-vibrator and a stable multi-vibrator. So presently we study only monostable. Next class, astable. So how this 555 timer is working, how it can be used as monostable, what are the modifications necessary, then internal working principle, how it is working, then how we can simulate using multisim. So what are the observations we can make, all the things we study. So this is the circuit, 555 timer as monostable multi. This is actually a IC pin diagram. So this pin number 1, pin number 2, pin number 3, pin number 4, then 5, 6, 7. 1 is connected to ground. Between 1 and 5, one capacitor is connected. At 3, we take output. At 3, we take output. This is output. At 2, we apply trigger. And 4, 8 shorted, connected to VCC. A resistor and capacitor. 6, 7 shorted. 4, 8 also shorted. So connected across resistor and capacitor. So first let us understand this internal circuit, internally how it is working. Then so that also listen carefully, a little bit complicated. So two comparators are there. This is one comparator 1, comparator 2, and 3 resistors are there, 5K, 5K, 5K. That's why it is called as a 555 timer. 3 resistors are there. So one resistor here output is 2/3 VCC. What is given here VCC? So 2/3 of VCC applied to inverting terminal. Here 1/3 of VCC is connected to non-inverting terminal. 1/3. After this resistor, so observe carefully using voltage division. Here 1/3 VCC is connected, whereas here 2/3 VCC is applied. What is the principle of comparator? It compares both the inverting non-inverting voltages. Then output is positive or negative depends on which is dominating. If negative voltage is dominating, then output is negative. If positive voltage is dominating, that means a source connected to positive terminal, then output is positive. This is what comparator. This is also comparator. So comparator operation is important. 2/3 VCC connected to negative. Positive voltage is connected to some threshold. So if negative is more, output will be negative. If positive supply is more, output is positive. That is the working principle of comparator. Then we have a SR flip-flop. Set to reset to flip-flop. Flip-flop input is S and R. Output is Q bar. Now this is the truth table of SR flip-flop. If both are 0, 0, whatever previous state is there, it remain as it is. Previous state. If Q equal to 1, 1 remain as it is. If Q equal to 0, 0 remain as it is. Previous state. If set is 1, R is 0, Q is 1. If set is 0, R is 1, Q is 0. This 1-1 combination not allowed. If 1-1 is given, ambiguity. So that problem is eliminated using JK flip-flop. So that is not interesting now. So only 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 is important. So this is SR flip-flop, how it is working. Then we have a NPN transistor. NPN transistor, if base is positive, transistor will be on. If base is 0 or negative, transistor will be off. Whereas PNP transistor, it is reverse. If base is positive, transistor will be off. Transistor PNP transistor is off with the VCC, high voltage applied to base. If 0 is connected, lower value, then transistor will be on. So it is a reverse to the NPN transistor. Then we have a power amplifier. Here it is basically amplifier and inverter. Inverter. Not only amplify, it will invert the input signal. So input 10, 10 is applied. I will get minus 100. When input 10 is applied, I will get minus 100. What is the meaning of minus 100? It is amplifying. That negative is a inversion. So that is the logic. So logic point of view, 1 means 0, 0 means 1. Like a inversion, inverter. Power amplifier, it's inverting mode, it is working. If 1 is applied, 0 will come. 0 is applied, 1 is coming. 1 and 0 is logic 1, logic 0, not numbers 1, 2, 3. So this is how this is working. Okay. And totally 5K, 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 3 equal resistors. And here 1/3 VCC, here 2/3 VCC. 2/3 VCC given to first comparator, 1/3 VCC given to second comparator. But here it is connected to positive, here it is connected to negative. Now let us see to work this as a monostable. There is one more another, this red color observe. Resistor R, the species is a pin number 8. There is one resistor connected coming like this, so connected to here. Then also connected here. This 6th and 7th is shorted. 6th pin is a threshold. 7th pin also shorted. This here there is a connection. Here there is a connection. So 6, 7 shorted. There is a capacitor C. Capacitor C charging through this resistor. Charging towards VCC. Okay. So that we'll see later. Now, first reset. What is the meaning of reset here? Reset means when I reset, it will come to 0. Reset means it will be 0. So if it is 0, when I reset, when 0 is applied, 0 means this transistor will be on. This transistor is on. When this is on, short circuited. When it is short circuited, V reference will come here. That will come to collector. V reference is like a, you can call it as a logic 1. Logic 1. So Q bar is 1. Q bar is 1. When Q bar is 1, what is here applied? 1. Then here also 1. Inverter output will be 0. So output is 0. When Q1 base is 1, this is a high voltage is applied to NPN transistor. So this transistor will go into on state. When this is on, collector, emitter both will be shorted. Emitter already connected to ground, collector also connected to ground because this transistor is on. So even if there is any voltage in this capacitor, that will be discharging. That will be discharging. So that is the reset status. If Q bar is 1, automatically Q is what? 0. So 0, 1 state it is there when I reset. Next, when I apply a trigger, I am applying trigger to terminal 2. What is this trigger? Nothing is applied means VCC. VCC, when I apply trigger, it will go to down. This dotted value is a VCC by 3. It will come less than VCC by 3. It will come less than VCC by 3. So this dotted is VCC by 3. It will come further less than VCC by 3. So what is the voltage here? 1/3 VCC by 3. What is here applied to negative? Less than VCC by 3. So here VCC by 3 or less than VCC by 3, which is higher. So this positive is higher. VCC by 3, which is connected to positive, is dominating. So output will be high. That we call it as a 1. This is 1. When this is 1, here what is the status? 6th, 7th shorted. When 6th, 7th shorted, initially what is the voltage in the capacitor? 0. There is no voltage. This is ground. Voltage in capacitor 0. This is shorted. So what is the voltage here? 0. Then 2/3 VCC is connected to negative, which is dominating. Inverting terminal voltage is dominating. That means output will be negative. That negative we call it as a 0. So set is 1, R is 0. 1, 0. If it is 1, 0, what is Q? Q become 1. So Q change it to 1. When Q bar will be changed to 0. When this 0 is coming here, this will be 0. When 0 is applied, then transistor will go into off state. And when this 0 is coming here, then output will be 1. That means as long as as and when I apply a trigger, immediately output will go to high state. Output will go to high state as and when I applied trigger. But this trigger is not maintained longer duration. A small gap again come to high. When it is coming to high trigger, this terminal is, so again this negative is dominating. When negative is dominating, output will be now 0. So this will come to 0. But here 0 only there. 0, 0 means the state remains same. Previous state. What is previous state? This remain 1, this remain 0, this is 0, then output will be 1. Because this is 0, transistor will be off. When transistor is off, collector emitter is open. Now this capacitor is charging. This capacitor is charging. How capacitor is charging? Through this resistor VCC, then capacitor is charging. When capacitor is charging, voltage in the capacitor is increasing exponentially. So when it is going, when it is reaches 2/3 of VCC, because this terminal already 2/3 VCC is there. Other terminal, if it reaches 2/3 VCC, again this output will change to 1. This output will be 1. This is 1, this is already 0. So S is 0, R is 1. S is 0, R is 1 means what is the output now? 0. So this will go to 0. If this is 0, again this is 1. If this is 1, again this is again 1. then output will be 0. When this is 1, this will be 1. Again, transistor will go to on state. Then capacitor will be coming to 0. This voltage will come to 0. So voltage in capacitor starts from 0. Charging. It is actually trying to go towards VCC. But by the time it reaches 2/3 VCC, again conditions are changing. Then again output will become 0. So how the output to waveform, first it will be 0. Then when we apply a trigger, it will go to high. When voltage in capacitor reach to 2/3, then again come to 0. Okay. So this is the type. This is the monostable. Monostable means what? So this much time it will go to another state, automatically come to stable state. This is a stable state. Later it will be a stable state. That's why it is called as a monostable. So this is the operation of flip-flop, operation of 555 timer. The same way here, 4 and 8 is the VCC na reset button. When I press a reset button, this will come to 0, otherwise VCC. Like that. So 4th, 8th connected to VCC. Then 6, 7 shorted na. This is the 7th point, this is the 6th. So 6, 7 shorted. 6, 7 shorted. Then 6th, between 8th and 6th, there is a resistor. Between 8th and 6th, there is a resistor. Capacitor connected to ground. Then 2 is the trigger. Here 2 is the trigger. Then 5, this 5, 2/3 VC. That's a control. Okay. Here between 1 and 5, there is a capacitor. The reason for this capacitor is indirectly this 5th point, this 5th pin is the 5th pin which is connected to capacitor. Capacitor other end connected to ground. If there is any sparks in the circuit, if there is major fluctuation in power supplies, that will be going through this capacitor. Higher frequency, what is the capacitor reactance? Will be very, very low. Very, very low. So those spikes will be discharged through this capacitor. Okay, this one is anyway connected to ground. There is one capacitor at 5, between 5 and 1. If there is any variations, that will be discharged through capacitor. It's a fixed value of 0.01 microfarads. So internal in this IC, this circuit is given. This circuit is there, and this external connections only we are doing. Now this capacitor is charging. What is the shortcut method in transient? You might have studied. So final plus initial minus final e power minus t by tau, t by RC. This is the voltage in capacitor expression. And voltage in capacitor, when it reaches to 2/3 VCC, at a time t equal to capital T. So this is equal to VCC common 1 minus e power minus capital T by RC. So t equal to capital T, this will become 2/3 VCC. Solve for capital T, you will get 1.1 RC. So 1.1 R, if I am selecting 700 ohms, C is selecting 1 microfarads, then you will get 770 microseconds. 770 microseconds. So 770 microseconds, this monostable state duration is 770 microseconds. Then later remaining is a stable state. Stable state. Okay. So unstable, stable state. So this T we have to calculate. So approximately these waveforms is a trigger waveform. So as and when we give a trigger, it will come to 0. Then voltage in capacitor increases exponentially. This is an exponentially graph, not straight line. Exponentially increasing. So exponentially increasing. And output voltage is 0. Then when we apply a trigger, it will go to high. Again come to 0 at t. So these are the waveforms we have to observe. Now let us see the simulation part. So the circuit already connected. Here I am applying a square wave of, this is a trigger waveform given to terminal 2 trigger. 1K 5 volts applied. So between 5 and 1 capacitor connected. So this is what 555 timer IC. 6, 7 shorted. 4, 8 connected to power supply of 15 volts. You can apply 5, 10, anything. And here R2 I have taken, let me take 700 ohms, C of 1 microfarad. Let us run the program. So this is the waveform. So we want this gap, 770 microseconds. 775 we got. So adjust you will get around 770 microseconds. That's what we designed. We got same. This is the monostable gap. What is the remaining? This gap is total we apply trigger of 1K. 1K means 1 millisecond. So 775 minus 1000 minus 775, 225. So remaining is 225. This 225 is a stable state. 770 is the unstable state. So it is a monostable. So all of you observe the, you also give the square wave. You plot the square wave. Input waveform you plot. Output we are taking at terminal 3. So this is the output waveform. This is voltage across capacitor. So VC waveform, trigger wave, these three you have to note down. These three. Trigger input to VC waveform, output waveform. These three you plot. So this is what the 555 timer has a monostable. So I hope you all understand this. So you need to remember in the experiment, this circuit diagram is enough. This diagram, external connections, remember, this T equal to 1.1 RC. We give T value, you choose R, find out C. Or you choose C, find out R, accordingly fix it. And note down these waveforms. That's all. So simple. But how it is working, to understand internal operation, you need to know this entire. This is for Viva. Explain how 555 timer is working like a monostable. Why it is called as a 555 timer. 555, 5K, 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 equally 3 parts. 555 timer. 5K, 5K, 555. That's why it's called as a 555 timer. We have a 2 comparators, one SR flip-flop. So individually you should know how it is working. Remember the overall circuit diagram to answer the Viva. But to perform the experiment, you need to remember this. So with this, I am closing.